What if you could drive a brand new zero-emissions car and never pay for gas, insurance, maintenance, or even new tires ever again? Sounds like a fantasy, right? Well, in the UK, it's about to become a reality. A company called Riversimple just dropped a bombshell, the UK's first all-inclusive hydrogen car subscription. For one monthly fee, you get everything. The car, the fuel, the insurance, all of it. With a 300-mile range and a 3-minute refuel time that crushes EV charging. Is this the business model that finally kills traditional car ownership and makes hydrogen a true competitor to battery electrics? And could this car-as-a-service model be heading for the US next? We're breaking down this revolutionary plan right now. Stick around and make sure you're subscribed to Electric Vehicle Empire because you're not going to want to miss the blueprint for the future of driving. All right, let's get right into it. The entire concept of owning a car is a financial headache. You have the monthly payment, the insurance premium, unpredictable gas prices, surprise repair bills, new tires, oil changes, annual inspections. The list is endless. It's a constant drain on your wallet. Electric vehicles solve the gas problem, but they introduced their own set of complexities. Range anxiety, long charging times, expensive battery replacements, and the high upfront cost. It was a step forward, but not the final answer. Now enter Riversimple, a Welsh startup that isn't just trying to sell you a new car, they're trying to sell you a whole new way of using a car. They call it sale of service, but for us, it's basically Netflix for mobility. And their first product is a sleek, featherweight two-seater called the Rasa. So what is this all-inclusive deal, really? Imagine paying a single, fixed monthly fee. That's it. For that one payment, Riversimple gives you the car and covers insurance, fully comprehensive, no more shopping for quotes, servicing and maintenance. All scheduled maintenance and repairs are included. If something breaks, it's their problem, not yours. Tires, worn-out tires, they replace them, no extra cost. Road tax and inspections, all the boring legal paperwork and fees are handled. And the biggest one of all your hydrogen fuel. You heard that right. You can pull up to any hydrogen station in the country, fill up in about 3 to 5 minutes, the same time it takes to pump gas, and drive off without ever pulling out your wallet. Riversimple foots the entire fuel bill. On top of the fixed monthly fee, there's a simple per-mile rate, and this is where their business model gets genius. Think about it. In a traditional model, car companies make money selling you the car, and then more money selling you expensive parts when it breaks. Gas stations make money selling you fuel. There's no incentive for them to make things more efficient. Riversimple's model completely flips the script. Since they are paying for all the running costs, including the fuel, they are financially motivated to build the most efficient, the most durable, and the most reliable car possible. The less fuel the car uses and the less it breaks down, the more money they make. Their success is directly tied to the customer's hassle-free experience. That's a paradigm shift. Now let's talk about the car itself, the Riversimple Rasa. This isn't some clunky science experiment. It's a purpose-built hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicle. The body is made from a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, making it incredibly lightweight. We're talking just 1,300 pounds. For context, that's less than half the weight of a Tesla Model 3. This extreme lightweight is key to its insane efficiency. The Rasa has a current range of 300 miles from a small hydrogen tank, and the company is already developing a version that will hit 500 miles. That's New York to Cleveland on a single tank. And when you're empty, it's a 3-minute fill-up, not a 45-minute wait at a supercharger. The only thing that comes out of the tailpipe is pure water. But here's the question every EV enthusiast is screaming at the screen right now. What about the infrastructure? Where do you even get hydrogen? This has always been the Achilles heel of hydrogen technology. It's the classic chicken and egg problem. No one builds hydrogen cars because there are no stations, and no one builds stations because there are no hydrogen cars.
Riversimple is tackling this head-on by partnering with a company called Element 2
which is aggressively building out a nationwide hydrogen refueling network across the UK. Their goal is to have the entire country covered within 5 years. By launching their subscription service in targeted regions where stations already exist, Riversimple can create a concentrated, guaranteed demand for hydrogen. This encourages companies like Element 2 to build more stations, which in turn allows Riversimple to expand its service area. They're not waiting for the infrastructure to appear. They're actively creating the business case for it. While this subscription is initially being offered to private drivers, the real gold mine for Riversimple could be commercial fleets. Think about delivery vans, taxis, or local utility vehicles. For a business, time is money. A battery electric delivery van that needs to be parked for an hour to recharge midday is a van that's not making deliveries. For these businesses, the ability to refuel in 3 minutes is a massive competitive advantage. Riversimple knows this and is offering a bundled commercial subscription that includes the vehicle, maintenance, insurance, and all fuel under a single predictable monthly contract. It turns transportation from a volatile, unpredictable expense into a fixed operating cost. Founder Hugo Spowers said, "Our approach puts efficiency at the core of our business model. This isn't just corporate jargon, it's the truth." The company has even designed a modular powertrain that can be scaled and adapted for different types of vehicles, a city car, a delivery van, you name it. They're not just building a car, they're building a platform for future transportation. So what does this mean for us here in the States? For now, this is a UK-based initiative, but you can bet that every major automaker and mobility company is watching this experiment very, very closely. If Riversimple proves that the car-as-a-service model is profitable and popular, it could completely upend the automotive industry. Imagine a future where you don't buy a Ford, a GM, or a Toyota. Instead, you subscribe to a mobility service from them. You pay one monthly fee, and they handle everything else. No more haggling with dealers, no more surprise repair bills, no more worrying about resale value. You just pick the car you need for a set period and drive. Is this the death of car ownership as we know it? Is hydrogen about to have its big moment and challenge the dominance of battery EVs? Riversimple is making a powerful case that the answer to both of those questions is a resounding yes. This isn't just a new car, it's a new era. What do you think? Is this all-inclusive subscription model the future, or is it just a gimmick? And would you sign up for a service like this if it came to the US? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one. And if you want to stay on the cutting edge of the electric and hydrogen revolution, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for Electric Vehicle Empire. Thanks for watching.